Aloha and welcome to our video on deserts. In this video we will describe how running water affects deserts, and then we'll also describe the different landscape features of the desert. Deserts are defined by their noticeable lack of water. So we don't see water all the time. We're not going to see a lot of rainfall throughout the year, but we still have some of the same processes we see in more temperate regions or in more tropical regions, in areas where you're going to have a lot more water and precipitation. Um, we're still going to have weathering occur, but in deserts it tends to be more mechanical. We're not going to have as much chemical weathering because of the limitation in the amount of water that we have. However, there is going to be some, but the majority of it is going to be mechanical weathering. And then we'll also see the rise of ephemeral streams. And ephemeral streams occur only after we get the rains. So here we live in the basin and range area, in the Great Basin. And you notice that we have some streams, and we call our streams a little bit differently. Most of our streams are washes, and what they are is they're ephemeral, which means that when we get the heavy rains, then they start to flow, and once these rains subside, the water will evaporate away and we no longer have the streams. Now the desert landscape is going to be a little bit different as well. We have the canyons and things that you can see back in here, and when it rains, those canyons are becoming ephemeral streams, and they're going to carry with them debris and the results of all the weathering that we see happening. And what we'll notice is a buildup of an alluvial fan. So if you find the mouth of a canyon, what you're going to see is this alluvial fan here, this buildup of debris. And you can see there's two of them here in our picture. And that's going to be all the sediment that it's carved out of that canyon as the waters flowed through, or carried out of that canyon as the waters flowed through. We'll see dunes, and we'll talk about those a little bit more in the next lesson. But we also see these Playa Lakes. And these Playa Lakes, you can see one is right over here. These are going to be lakes that'll form when we have the rains, and then after the rains stop, we have lakes last for a little while until the water evaporates away. So these are our primary landscapes we're going to see in the desert. That's it for this video. Good luck on the lesson, and we'll see you in the next video.